Hey guys, today we're going to be walking through a step-by-step how to apply the Nomad Screen Protectors. A few things before we get started. One, be sure to clean your hands so you don't get any fingerprints or any grease on the screen or the protector. Two, try and do this in a well-lit area so that way you can see if there's any contamination on the screen. And number three, also try and not do this in any baggy clothes or with any big bracelets so that way nothing drops on the screen during the process. Let's get started. Step number one, clean the phone with the wet wipe. Make sure to clean the screen really well and get all the edges and corners. Step number two, dry the screen using the microfiber cloth. Step number three, use the dust removal stickers to take off any dust left on the screen. Step number four, place the alignment tool over the phone. Step number five, take the sticky backing off of the protector. Align the protector with the speaker cutout at the top of the phone. Drop it down at first, give it a tap, and the adhesive will do its thing and spread out while the whole screen protector attaches to the screen. And that is how you apply a Nomad Screen Protector. Be sure to drop a comment down below telling us about all your crazy adventures which warrant the need for a screen protector. And also be sure to like this video and subscribe for all things Nomad. Thanks guys.